not there yet? Alright, I'm gonna call him. Alright. Kareem, you reach Apple Park already?
No, I'm gonna reach it, but my son reach.
The people them are waiting on them food 30 minutes late.
But no, but I eat me a sort of no, Tony, and just bear with me.
Them are wait, so hurry up now.
So, hold on, Tony, I saw your son, so calm down now. How your son, so?
Oh, my son, Kareem.
Yeah, get miserable for me.
A business where I do, the people them are wait on the food. Hurry up and deliver it.
Alright. May I start to no and come. Alright?
Alright, Kareem. Who am I talking to?
You see, as a sleeper, you have to think smart. You have to watch your body language. You have to watch your face expression. Because that will give you your cover.
Alright, one 6 bun and a white bread.
Afternoon, little one.
Little.
You have to watch your body language. You have to watch your face expression.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Dancehall Deli. How may I help you?
Very polite. You know, this is not something that we find so often in communities like this, you know. It's a refreshing sight.
Oh, thank you very much.
You are most welcome. Tell me something though. I am trying to find Shappy or Kareem. Is any of them there?
Shappy is not around and Kareem is on the road. So how can I help you?
Well, now that you mention it, his cousin did mention that he was in partnership in this business. I am supposing you are his business partner, right?
Well, yeah, you can say that.
Okay. Well, I guess if you don't mind, I'd like to have a little conversation with you.
Conversation?
Not to worry. It's more like a business proposal. So if you don't mind, you could spare me a few minutes. We have a little discussion outside here.
Okay, but I don't have a lot of time because
I understand. Don't worry, I won't keep you long.
Alright.